Preparing eCTD Module 3 isn't just complex. It's fragmented, manual, and highly risk-prone. Teams spend weeks reconciling documents across systems, verifying data manually, and still face last-minute gaps during submission. What we're demonstrating is an agentic AI-powered CMC automation platform designed to transform how Module 3 is prepared across the entire product lifecycle, from development to commercial. Commercial lifecycle. As we log into the platform, we land on a product-centric dashboard. Each modality, whether small molecule or biologics, comes with a contextualized view, giving immediate insight into the product's regulatory and CMC status. The Lifecycle Tracker provides a unified, real-time view from development through post-approval changes. No fragmented systems, no blind spots, just complete lifecycle intelligence, multi-source data. Ingestion. Now, instead of chasing documents across systems, the platform integrates seamlessly with sources like Network Drive, SharePoint, QMS, OneDrive, regulatory repositories, and other business systems. Or we can simply perform a manual upload. As we upload documents, such as previous annual reports, master documents, change controls, and supplements, the platform immediately begins processing them. Using its AI capabilities, it reads and interprets the content, extracting all relevant eCTD Module 3 data with precision. The extracted information is organized into a clear, structured format, making it easy for users to review or download the results as a detailed checklist. Each item is presented with consistency and clarity, ensuring that nothing important is overlooked. This allows users to quickly identify what requires attention and what is ready for use. At the same time, every document is automatically labeled with status indicators, such as approved, pending, or draft, providing immediate visibility into its readiness. Annual report generation. With a single submission action, the platform compiles validated content and generates a fully structured annual report. Now let's take a look at the output. What you're seeing here is a complete, submission-ready report, automatically organized according to regulatory expectations. Each section is already structured, with content mapped directly from source documents, so there's full traceability built in. No manual effort, just a clean submission-ready report in minutes. Built-in compliance validation. Before submission, the system performs embedded compliance checks aligned with expectations from authorities like the US FDA. Users receive a real-time compliance score, detailed gap analysis, and readiness insights, early in the process, not at the end. Based on these insights, users can confidently review and approve the submission, ensuring that only fully validated and compliant content moves forward. Drilling into Module 3, we can navigate seamlessly across drug substance, drug product, manufacturing records, excipients, stability protocols. All content is structured, reviewable, and fully traceable. Commitments tracking. Post-approval commitments are tracked in real time, directly aligned with regulatory decisions. Teams can instantly identify what's approved, what's pending, and what requires action. Now let's look at change management. The regulatory impact engine analyzes any change and provides a comprehensive, real-time view of its impact. At the top level, you can see an overview of recent change analyses, high-priority items, upcoming milestones, risk distribution, and change classifications, giving teams with immediate situational awareness. Drilling deeper, the platform presents a detailed impact analysis, including overview, a consolidated summary with impact score, overall risk, AI confidence, regulatory submission impact, impacted CMC domains, and a readiness snapshot. Impacted sections. The system intelligently identifies and suggests affected Module 3 sections based on the nature of the change. Regulatory pathways. It recommends the most appropriate submission approach, such as routes aligned with the US FDA, including CBE 30 or PAS submissions. Timeline implications. Provides visibility into current phase, overall progress, submission readiness, and compliance status. Risk assessment. Evaluates potential regulatory and operational risks associated with the change. Historical precedence leverages past data to provide context and support for decision-making. This is where organizations shift from reactive change handling to a more predictive, data-driven regulatory strategy. End-to-end traceability. Every data point, from source document to final submission, is fully traceable, ensuring complete transparency, stronger audit readiness, and inspection confidence. Our system transforms fragmented CMC documents into a structured end-to-end regulatory flow. It captures the origin of each data point, organizes content by section, and maintains critical metadata like versions, dates, and change controls. It automatically detects changes, links them to the appropriate control processes, and aligns everything with the Module 3 structure. The result is a fully connected annual report, offering a clear, traceable view from source to submission, while reducing manual effort and strengthening compliance readiness. CMC Development Console. Now let's shift earlier in the life cycle, because transformation starts at data generation. Here, the dashboard provides a comprehensive view of key metrics, including ECTD submission readiness, document processing overview, data extraction summaries, Module 3 data statistics, validation progress by module, and overall data quality metrics. This gives teams a clear, real-time understanding of where they stand, enabling faster decisions and better control over submission readiness. Structured data ingestion. Here, we can upload drug substance and drug product summary documents, and similarly, any other relevant CMC documents. Once uploaded, the platform leverages its agentic AI capabilities to automatically extract the relevant information and map it directly to the appropriate CMC sections. At the same time, all extracted data is seamlessly linked back to its source documents, ensuring full traceability. This means structure is established from the very beginning, rather than being recreated at the time of submission. Continuous review and validation. Users can review, validate, and refine content continuously. Validation is not a final step. It's embedded throughout the life cycle. Verified output generation. Any generated report is automatically validated against source data, ensuring consistency, accuracy, and compliance at every stage. Now, if we open the generated report, you can see it's fully structured and formatted for submission. Each section is clearly organized, with content directly mapped from source documents, maintaining full traceability. This gives you a clean, review-ready output. Any generated report is automatically validated against source data, ensuring consistency, accuracy, and compliance at every stage. What this delivers is not just automation, but transformation. Reduced manual effort and rework. Faster Module 3 preparation timelines, improved submission quality across review cycles, fewer regulatory queries, stronger audit and inspection readiness, and ultimately, more predictable regulatory outcomes. Contact us directly. With Mushroom Solutions, make life better.